Okay, we are live. We're streaming live, so we are testing our platform, our features. So let's enjoy it, and then we see what we're gonna get out of it. So yeah, so this is Hedge live streaming platform. As you can see, I'm switching between different angles. So I can switch between different angles. So now you can see this is my camera one, the one that you can see. And then if I go to this one now, this is camera two, the one where I am now facing. So you can stream many angles with this platform, these features that we are working on right now. And I'm back to camera one. So yeah, let me put my collar and close. So we are now busy in the production. As you can see, me don't mind about me. If you're busy in the production, you are just trying to make sure all of those stuff work perfectly. So yeah, so let's make time and explore what the hedge is, and then so you can enjoy that amazing. You see on the bottom there, we are having the one that is scrolling there is called scrolling ticker. We have it down there, and then on top there is a title, and then there's also a logo. The logo, you can add all of those stuff. Now people get to even the logo, you can add the size. Let me add a little bit the size. I want it to be a little bigger. It's like right now it's just showing it small, so let me add a little bit of a bigger size. Yeah, so I don't know why I'm somehow there freezing. I don't know why I'm somehow. Yeah, so YouTube is somehow not taking me serious right there. So now let me see what is happening here. Let me cut to this camera. I cut to the other camera. Oh, okay. Now you can see me now. I'm moving. Let me cut back. All right, so you see now there's all those multi angles and everything. You can add tags, you can add you even the text there in the middle, the one on top of the that is a hedge app. You can bring it in the middle, you can take it on the bottom. Like the logo. Let me take the logo on the corner, on that corner down there. I want it to be down there so you can see it that you can do a lot of stuff. And now since it's pink, now let me go change the color. So the text color in the scroll, let me make them white. I'm gonna make those color white. Yeah, let me make it white. I want white, not gray. So you see right now, the color can change immediately there. As you can see, and then there is your text. You see how it's going behind my text. And the logo is there, or if you have that logo with a color kind of shape, you can bring it in with that, so you can either cover that area. So since my logo is PNG, it can be in like in that format. And I can also change my text. Let me change my font color. Maybe I can go to Helvetic, whatever that color name is. So yeah, you can also change the speed. Let's say you want that thing to move faster. Like right now, you see the speed that is moving. It was just 3 pixels per frame. Maybe now you want to move a little bit so you can move faster. Now you can see it's moving faster. So it depends on how you want it to be and all of those stuff. You can do a lot with that, and not just that, you can also have a lower third. I'm just gonna put something here. Let me just enter. What do I want for the lower third? Let me see. Where's my lower third? Go quickly up to the lower third. There you are. So with the lower third, you can also add a name and all of that. So I'm just going to add something. Let me just write my name here so you get to know me. Jeffrey. That's my name, and I'm going to add my position here. I am just a founder of Hedge. So now if I say show, it will take 10 minutes. But now since you say everything of us, they are there on the bottom, let me take the logo so you can go up to the right, and then you can see the logo will cover all of those stuff. But now you need to be a professional, if you are talking about professional, and then I can do that. So if you want to show your lower third right there at the bottom, so that means either the scrolling word will have to be out. So normally the thing will automatically, after 10 minutes, the lower third will come, and after 10 minutes it will disappear on its own. And you can also change the color of on your lower third there. You can change to fit in your theme. And so let me just change quickly. We'll keep the text to be white. I will change the other stripe to fit in our logo color somewhere there. Then when I enter like that, and then I'll go back again, I say shop. Now you can see that the lower third, I have adjusted the color. They are basically fitting in our color. So as you can see the name and showing you what the color. You can change everything. Even if you want, you can remove the background and then something's that's gonna be amazing and professional. So you can stream with all type of angle. I'm cutting to another angle again. This angle. Let me cut to this angle. So the one that is basically this angle is like literally facing me. So it's an angle that is like facing me. So let me cut to that angle so you get to see. I cut to that angle. Now, you might see me turning a little bit that side is because when I turn that side, that's where the camera is. So now I'm more turning towards that side where the camera is. So as you can see, now I'm moving the camera. So you see, if you are that person who is professional streamer and all of those kind of stuff, so you can be able to turn your camera back here, that way, this way. So that's something that you can also do. And so now let me cut back to my main camera. So when I cut back to the main cameras, but I hope you can see the difference of me cutting between angles and all of those stuff. Yeah, so that's what we are currently doing right now. And then, so if you are a content creators and you want to create that amazing live streaming where people get to see, you want people to interact with you, you want to see how the live streaming is going, you want to give that amazing look and feel, that amazing live streaming, where should you go? Where should you go? I can say is this: visit Hedge, make use of Hedge, and create some amazing professional podcast streaming and enjoy. So it's something that is amazing. As you can see there, I'm playing with my streaming. I'm adding layer, I'm adding title. I can change color of title. Let me just put that title in the middle. So, and then I can also increase the size. Let me increase the size of the text so it can be a little bit bigger. Yeah, you can increase the size of the text so it can be nice and bold. And then I can say, I can remove, if I want, let's say for example, I want that text color. I can also sometimes remove the background if I don't want to have a background. I can just clear it. Then it just, the whole thing is just going to be the word itself now because the background is cleared. And yeah, so what more can you ask? What more do you want? So go out there, test the platform, download Hedge, and start enjoying the live streaming. So the live streaming platform Mixer on this Friday, it will be on our on our website where you can be able to use a browser. Amazingly, it's a browser. You don't need to install something or anything. You just need to be on our website. You click and you start using it to explore. So for now, it's gonna be on a free tier where you can explore, make use of the website and our live streamer to connect multi angles. You can connect up to 8 angles. So this is on the phone. You need to use your phone to stream. So basically, it's a platform that is made only to stream with your phone. So when you go on Hedge mobile app it enables you to connect to your browser Mixer, where you can start now switching different angles. And the live or browser Mixer offer you variety of stuff. So yeah, let's go and explore and have fun. So right now I'm just testing to see. So we are busy perfecting the platform. We are busy perfecting the platform. So we are busy testing and we are busy enjoying. We are busy out there. So what else are you expecting from us? So I want to hear from you. So as you can see right there is streaming. We have title. We have, okay, let me put this title back to the top, or I can just remove it so we can have a clean professional appearance of our app. Let's just have it more in that direction. And then let me just come back quickly and add, before I add the lower third, let me make sure that the scrolling text on the bottom, the ticker, it's not visible. Then I say show. So normally the lower third will show itself for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, the lower third will also disappear. Just like that. It will just show you. The lower third will show itself. And then if you have multiple people, let's say you have 4 guests who are speaking in your place, so you can write already their name, and all what you need to do is just turn on, and then you turn on and then you are switching the cameras, turn on just like that. And then yeah, you don't need to have an editor who have to edit for you. After that, you can just now create an amazing professional setup where you can stream when professionally. That's what Hedge is doing. Wherever you are in the world, if you people who want to pursue into podcast, or who want to create a live streaming, and this mostly, like right now we only have on YouTube or Facebook. You can even stream on all of those platforms at the same time. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all of them, you can stream them at the same time, rather than you going and you sign up on this one, you sign up on that one, you sign up on this one, and you can only stream. Right now, if you have one phone, you can only stream on one stream per phone. But with one account, our streaming platform, you can stream on all of them. So what are you waiting for? So give us comment, let us know, so we get to understand you. Maybe you want something features that we did not include, that you want to see, and you feel like maybe it's a very important features that have to be included also. So that's something that we can also say maybe you need to try to consider, or feel things like maybe something that we can consider and add to the live streaming and that kind of stuff. So you just need to let us know, so we know what we should expect, or what you want us to work. Like right now, I'm gonna cut to my second cameras. So you can see right now, the second cameras, it cut. It's just the one that you see now. I'm not facing you directly. Talking, because now the one that is streaming right now is my second camera. So if I cut to my main cameras, it's the one that is coming in full view, and my second camera is just right there in a preview, waiting for me to select it so it become in full view or pre-program. And yeah, so professional streaming, it's right here. What are we waiting for? So this Friday, wherever you are, so we are going to introduce a platform to everyone, so you can also start getting the best of the platform, so you can also start enjoying the streaming. So we are waiting to hear from you and waiting to see you into our webinar, where we are now going to introduce a platform to you. So let's have fun and enjoy Hedge, and don't forget to download the platform. Don't forget to share this amazing tech that we are developing with your friends and families out there, because the one thing is we want to create for you so you can save. How I'm actually a filmmaker. by profession. I before I became into switch into a pivot into tech, I was a filmmaker. I was always doing all of these live streaming features and all of those stuff using OBS and all of that. But now I felt like sometimes you want to, like phones, they're becoming very good at production. Sometimes you just want to have a phone to produce, or to use your phone that you're having, rather than go hire a cameras, or go hire someone out there, and then you have to hire an editor. Like I can say, like normally for you, if you want a streaming, we used to charge a lot. We are quite expensive, and live streaming is very expensive. But now with Hedge, live streaming is really not that expensive anymore. Now you can automatically just jump on board, and then you start switching between cameras and have a professional setup. If you are the people who you own an event, rather than you going to hire somebody to record for you every single day, right now you can just get your phones. Nowadays people, they have these amazing phones that are now competing with good cameras and all of those stuff. So right now, all what you need to do is just have your friend camera phone, and then you take another friend's phone, and you take another friend's phone. You have 3 phones, and then you can have 3 different angles that you are covering professionally, and then you have it, you start streaming it, and then you have a platform like ours, Hedge Mixing, that is going to mix for you all of this angle and stream it directly to all of your social media: Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, you name it, Twitch, and even others. As long as you know what you need to do, you just need to have the key and then a link that is needed, the RTMP. That's it. Voila, you are live streaming. So, what are you waiting for? You can see right now I am multi-streaming. Let me just even go far to show you my other angle. Maybe I can, now the other one I can cut to show you the camera when we are streaming right now on YouTube. So you get to see that this is something that you can do multi angles. You can cover multi angles in many directions, in many things. You can stream something else while you are here talking, while your friends can listen to you, or anything. You can showcase all type of things that you want out there. So that's what you can see. You can see it somehow. Our network is fighting us, but we are surviving. We are about to receive good rain. We're about to receive good rain. It's about to rain here. So yeah, I just wanted to introduce you. Basically, right now as I'm speaking to you, I'm in the testing mode. So this is the testing mode. We are testing Hedge. We are testing the program. We are testing how it's handling the mixing, how it's doing all of these things. We are in the testing mode right now. So I can see the testing is going very well. We are successfully tested. We are successfully connected on YouTube. As you can see, we have been testing for 18 minutes straight. We are busy switching cameras, switching our source back and forth. You can see there is a name added, there is a text, there is a title, there is all of those stuff that are happening. They are ready. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? You can add your title. You can add, I don't know, even countdown. Let's say, for example, you want to create those professional countdown with an amazing background and all of those stuff. Hedge has everything for you. It's a broadcasting program where you don't need to install anything in your computer. Even if you have a good template, you can use a template to use for switching between screen while other people are recording for you, or you can have tripod, set up tripod here and there using just phone, streaming with a phone. It's very cheap, very cheap. Right now I'm encouraging you to start creating content with Hedge, because Hedge is making it possible for you, very possible for you. So what are you waiting for? Let's go out there and let's create things. Let's explore. Let's have stuff, because we are here developing those solutions. But those solutions, they will not be solution if you are not using them. If it is a problem that you are facing, then surely Hedge is a solution to you. I'm talking too much because I'm so happy that I have developed such an amazing feature. I'm so happy that I have developed this amazing platform for you. Or I see the word up there is a little bit big. Let me reduce the size. Oh, guys, here we are receiving rain. Rain have just started here in Namibia. I'm from Namibia. I am Namibian, and that's where I am from. So, where are you from? Just send a comment out there. Let me hear you where you are from. And we are live and enjoying ourselves here. So, I'm testing everything live, and I'm sexually happy. So, okay, so what else should I see? Let me see here. Let me change the font. Let's play with fonts. I go to this one. So let me go to the title. I'm gonna go play with the title. Okay, you can see that. You can be able to change the font. You can play with stuff. So basically, just give me a minute. Let me go close this window. It's raining here heavily. It's like we are receiving some heavy rain here. I'm going quickly to close my windows. All right, so I am back. So what were we talking about? I was introducing you to Hedge live streaming. All right, so